In this edition of In the Kitchen with Jones Onslow, we're making
spinach tortellini soup.
That sounds yummy. This is a perfect recipe during the holiday season because it's quick, simple, and oh so delicious. So let's get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need just a few ingredients. You're gonna need a can of cheddar cheese soup, garlic powder, diced tomatoes with basil and oregano and garlic. What's
chicken
this?
Broth.
Chicken broth. 4 ounces of tortellini, whatever kind you want. We use cheese, pre-cooked per the instructions on the package. And then what is this?
That is spinach.
So 2 ounces of spinach. Parker's not a fan. A little bit of salt and pepper and a cup of milk. All of this stuff is gonna get combined on the stove, so we're gonna move over there.
We have to stir this for 5 minutes until all the cheddar cheese soup dissolves. And then we pour in the diced tomatoes. Two cups of chicken broth. 1 package of tortellini pre-cooked. And a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper.
There's only one thing left to do. Taste it. But it looks like you made something really special to go with this soup.
We made bubble bread, which was last month's recipe.
I think it'll taste perfectly with this, the Italian way. All right, what are you gonna dip yours in? Let's see. So enjoy this recipe any day of the week, and you can find more like this one on JOEMC.com on the newsletters or at carolinacountry.com. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.